Hello everyone, in this video we're going to make beautiful snowflake design. So fold this red craft paper and make a triangular shape. Now draw these patterns and start cutting it using scissors. Look how we are cutting it. Do not cut fully. Now we are going to again make multiple cuts from its bottom as well. Open it and you will get this pattern. Start folding this red craft paper first into half and make a square. Again fold it and make a triangular shape. Make a beautiful design using pencil. Here we are going to make beautiful snowflake pattern. You can use this for various decoration purposes as well. Now we are going to cut it like we are doing here on the surroundings, and we are going to cut again like this. Again make a small hole at the center and again cut it. Now gently open it, you will get this pattern. In this video, we're going to make beautiful pattern of snowflakes. So start folding this red craft paper, makes rectangles and again fold it and make a triangular shape like this. Now draw this beautiful design on the top of it using a pencil and start cutting it like we're doing here using scissors. Look carefully, we don't have to cut it fully. We are going to cut it according to the design. Make a cut at the center like this. Now open it like this and look, it's ready. Let's make this beautiful design. Start folding this red craft paper like we're doing here. Again fold it, make two squares and then fold it from its diagonals and make a triangular shape. Look at this. And then we're going to draw lines on it. Here we are going to cut this pattern. So start cutting it using scissors. Make the design using a pencil like we're doing here and start cutting the design according to the lines like this. At the top we are cutting this flower shape. Then we are going to cut these lines. You can use these beautiful snowflakes for various festive seasons. They are going to look very beautiful as decorative piece. Cut it like this, make a cut at the end of it. Now again open it like we are doing here. Gently open it, remove all the patterns and look how pretty this design is looking. Let's make this beautiful snowflake design. Start folding this red craft paper and make a triangular shape. Now we are going to draw lines on it. We need this kind of pattern, so start cutting it using scissors. Look how we are doing here. Start cutting the outline of the pencil like this. Gently open it and you will get this beautiful snowflake design. In this video, we are going to make this beautiful snowflake design using this red craft paper. You can take whatever color you like. Fold it and make a triangular shape like this. Now draw this beautiful pattern on the top of it using pencil and start cutting it using scissors. Start cutting the outline of the pencil like we are doing here. This type of design can be used for festive decorations. Diwali is coming soon, so you can make more such snowflake designs and use it for your home decorations. They will look very pretty. Start cutting it like we are doing here using scissors. At the top we are going to make this beautiful flower pattern like this, and look carefully, you don't have to cut it completely. Leave a joint at the end and you have to cut carefully at the end like this. Now open it and you will get this beautiful pattern. Thank you so much for watching this video.